Where can I buy cat repellent smells?
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about a very specific and yet very common need: where to buy cat repellent smells. Whether you want to keep your curious cat out of certain areas, or deter strays from your garden, the right cat repellent scent can help you manage this effectively.
What are cat repellent smells?
Cat repellent smells are essentially scents that are unpleasant to cats. They deter cats from visiting or staying in certain areas. The most common scents that cats tend to avoid include citrus, rosemary, cinnamon, and essential oils like eucalyptus and lemongrass.
Where can I buy cat repellent smells?
You can buy cat repellent smells from a variety of places. 1. Pet stores. Your local pet store is the first place you should check. These stores often carry a wide range of pet-related products, including cat repellents. 2. Garden centers. If you're trying to keep cats out of your garden, a garden center could have exactly what you need. Many sell cat repellent products or plants that naturally deter cats. 3. Supermarkets and department stores. Large supermarkets and department stores often have a pet section where you can find these products. 4. Online retailers. Websites like Amazon, eBay, and others sell a variety of cat repellent smells. Always check the reviews before purchasing. Please note, it's recommended to always consult with a vet before using any repellents to ensure they're safe for use around your pets.
Are there any DIY options?
Yes, you can make DIY cat repellent smells at home using ingredients like citrus peels, essential oils, or even certain herbs that cats find unpleasant. Remember, though, the effectiveness of DIY solutions might vary and they should be used with caution. Always consult a vet before introducing new scents to your pet's environment. Finding the right cat repellent smell can be a simple task if you know where to look. Whether it's a local pet store, a garden center, a large supermarket, or online, there's sure to be a solution that suits your needs. And remember, you always have the option of a DIY solution if you're feeling creative. Safety first though. Always consult a vet before introducing new repellents to your home or garden. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.